Hello guys, welcome back to Beer Entertainer. Today we will be visiting an exciting place in Grimstad. But first, some tiny information about Grimstad. It is situated in the southern part of the country. Its area is 303.60 kilometers square and population approximately 24,000. If you like the car intro, let's start where we are. Today's place is Groos. It's in a walking distance and its distance from the city center is 2 kilometers. It's a lovely excursion spot with large grassy area. It have a beach, rocky cliffs and jetty. There is a playground, sand volleyball court and so many things. Let's enjoy.
Keep waiting for you. It's the only thing that I can do to keep my composure. Oh, I need you closer, I want you and I want you closer, I want you and only